The Articles of Confederation. Being the first constitution of the USA, it wasn't stable enough to control the USA states that were acting like their own country. The government had no money and things were just getting out of control. So, the Founding Fathers got those problems and fixed them with the Constitution of the USA. So, what were the challenges and compromises faced and debated by the Founding Fathers that evolved into the Constitution of the USA? Let's start with the first challenge. The federal government was weak. The government didn't have much control over many important subjects. These things were imposing laws and regulating trade. Without the laws, there was very little control over America, and without trading, the government couldn't get the materials they needed or send the non-useful ones away. They also couldn't make citizens join the army, which caused them to have little defense over the countries surrounding them. So, when the Founding Fathers made the Constitution, they fixed it by adding control for the government over the subjects mentioned. The second challenge was that the federal government couldn't tax. When it came to having finances, the federal government wasn't able to make the citizens help pay. To get any money, they needed to ask state legislators to raise money for them, but it still wasn't enough to pay off their expenses. One of them was the debt of the American Revolution. Because they couldn't pay this off, they went into depression. After learning from their mistakes, the Founding Fathers gave the government power to tax. The last subject we'll touch is the fact that the government needed many states to agree to change the articles, change a law, or make a law. Now, this may not seem that bad, but every state had acted like their own country. So you couldn't really get that many states to agree on one thing. This was resolved by giving the states one vote on all issues and giving a majority vote to finalize the decisions. This happened for the two new House legislators, the Congress and the House of Representatives. So, with these challenges and compromises, we were able to fix the Articles of Confederation and make the Constitution. If it wasn't for them, America would have fallen apart and have been taken over by its surrounding countries.